Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana daily update. It has gone insane and it is going further upwards, almost 90 Tether USD. We are going to make a technical analysis and of course we are going to see some important things right there. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe. Also join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. So let's see some important things right here. First of all, you can see that we are closing into the 90 Tether USD, our 1.5 Fibonacci retracement, drawing the Fibonacci from the top to this bottom. We formed double bottom right here, as you can see. Then we moved upwards, surpassing the previous high and going to the next price targets for Solana. It is amazing. The 4-hour frame here, guys, volume is increasing. As you can see, it is not the same as before on the 4-hour frame, but it has a nice volume right there. The MACD is going from a bullish cross right here, and you can see what it happened. After the bearish cross, we had all the way down. We had Solana going all the way down, but the price didn't go as far down as the MACD went. So we hold perfectly the position and then we were ready to move upwards again. So when the MACD falls down that way and the price remains a little bit stable, then it is very nice and the altcoin is very strong. Okay, it is a bullish signal that we can get in. Let's go to Sol on the 4-hour frame. You can see that here the 20-day MA is already above the 50-day MA. Never crossed. We had a bearish cross and you can see that we went a little bit down from the 50-day MA and we had a buying opportunity right here. Then we went all the way upwards. For now, the RSI is above the 70, as you can see here. The commodity channel index is above the 100 and the stochastic RSI is above the 80. So yes, we have a risk, but we are on an impulsive wave. Do not forget that for Solana, we are on an impulsive wave and therefore we are going up and up. So right now, you should be a little bit careful. Do not be greedy, take your profits, guys, because let's go a little bit on the daily frame to discuss some things right there. So on the daily frame, we approach the top line of the Bollinger bands, nothing important right there. You can see that we had an oversold situation on the daily frame for the stochastic RSI. Now we immediately went back up. So on the daily frame, we can go even more. We can grow even more. On the daily RSI, we are already in an overbought situation right here. We might be getting a bearish RSI divergence on the daily frame where we have a lower high in the daily RSI and a higher high in the price. So be careful about that. Take some profits and of course do not make any rash movements. We will discuss if Solana can go to the 100 Tether USD. We will discuss everything about that. Do not worry. And you can see that on the MACD, on the daily frame, we are looking fantastic. We did not have the bearish cross right here. You can see we got rejected a little bit earlier and now we are going all the way upwards. Very good. Let's open up a little bit the SSL hybrid in case we have any news. Buying opportunity here, guys. According to the SSL hybrid, we have buying opportunity here, not a selling opportunity of course yet, but we had a buying opportunity. So let's see how this will play out, because if we have a buying opportunity here, it is very possible for the SSL hybrid to assume that we might have a 100 Tether USD Solana, for example. Okay, let's go to the Solana Bitcoin chart and you can see here that I will draw the Fibonacci channel. So we need two bottoms, one bottom, second one right here and the top. Okay, and you can see that we might be approaching this one line right here and we might be stopping around there. And secondly, I will just use the Fibonacci retracement tool, starting from this top, ending up to this bottom. There we go. And we should be approaching this number right here, guys. Let me put a price label on the 0.2018 by the time it is 28th August. So here you can see that both of these lines cross each other on 28th August, okay, today. So we might be going above here and we might be going there soon, pretty soon. And you can see this will be very nice to achieve and to have. So I will remove the drawings right there and we will go to the 4-hour frame for Solana Bitcoin chart. You can see that the stochastic RSI is in an overbought, the RSI is going into an overbought, and of course actually it is, as you can see here, and the commodity channel index is in an overbought situation. Do we have to worry? No, because we do not have any bearish RSI divergence on the 4-hour frame. Let's go to the daily frame a little bit to see if we might have a little bit of a bearish RSI divergence right there. We might be having one. You can see that a higher high here, a lower high here, but a higher high in the price. So yes, we might be getting the stochastic RSI didn't even go in the oversold situation for Solana against Bitcoin, while on the USDT chart, as you can see right here, it went in an oversold. There we did not have anything. So we can go now to the price analysis, and we want to see whether we can go to the 100 Tether USD Solana or not. For now, we should be taking some profits, right? I mean, yeah, this is incredible. The thing that we have done with Solana is incredible, and it's going to new all-time highs very, very fast. You can see that, but at the same time, we need to be a little bit careful, right? We need to take profits and accumulate some profits. If I draw the Fibonacci from this bottom right here up to this top, then the minus 0.618 and the minus 0.786 is at the 100 Tether USD. So yes, Solana 100 Tether USD is possible. However, we need to wait a little bit and see, because we have some important resistance levels, and especially the minus 0.618, which sits at around 95 Tether USD. So what I will do is I will have the next price targets for Solana, 93 Tether USD, 96 and 100 around there Tether USD, which I think if we go there, then we will start a little bit of a retracement. We will see about that though. Let's go to the weekly frame a little bit. So you can see on the weekly frame, we have gone absolutely insane. 3 big bullish candlesticks right here on the weekly frame, but we have a very high risk. You can see that on the weekly frame we stand on a very high risk with the RSI, with the commodity channel index, but the stochastic RSI is going now into an overbought situation. For the time being, we had so many weeks into an overbought situation. You can see the stochastic RSI was so many weeks into an overbought, and of course the RSI as well for Solana. Right now it is going insane, but we should be careful about Solana. Right now I believe that the 100 Tether USD is possible, but at the same time we have a very, very nice overbought situation on the weekly frame, and we should be taking some profits. Okay, you can see that it is about to go to the 89.90 Tether USD around here. For now we stopped at a little bit lower, 89.75. okay, so yes, we find a little bit of a sell pressure right here. The next price targets are the 93, 96, 100. The reason I won't be seeing Bitcoin for a little bit is because we outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, we do not care what Bitcoin will do. Does it go down? Does it go up? Okay. But if Bitcoin had a crash right there, yes, we would care, of course, and we should be a little bit, we should take profits and be a little bit cautious. Because if Bitcoin had a crash, then it doesn't matter that Solana outperforms Bitcoin. Of course, it wouldn't let Solana go into the 100. We would make a little bit of a correction right there. But for now, we do not have this case. We do not have anything to worry about. Bitcoin remains a little bit stable in this price level, and as you can see, and Solana is outperforming Bitcoin. That means it helps Solana so much into going into the next targets we have mentioned right there. Okay, so you know the next targets, and of course you know what to look forward to. Do not be greedy, always take profits, and it isn't a loss when you take profits a little bit earlier. Okay, you can take profits around there, and even if Solana goes to 100 Tether USD, do not say that you lost something. No, you didn't lose, you only won profits. Okay, so have that in your mind. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.